back to my channel. How's everybody doing? Today I'm going to be doing another sewing tutorial, and it's going to be another thrift store makeover. I love doing these videos. They're so much fun, and I love going to the thrift store because you never know what you will find. For this tutorial, I'm going to turn this shirt into a very glam sailor costume type shirt. It is very costumey, but I tend to dress costumey anyways, so I guess you could make this for an event or you could wear it on Halloween, whatever you want to do. Here is the neck piece, which is separate from the top. I did not want to add it onto the shirt because I want to be able to mix and match with other outfits that I have. So this is just going to tie like this. So yeah, it's very sparkly and I love it. I'm going to show you guys how to make this sailor collar, and I'm going to show you how to make this shirt come alive again. It's going to be awesome. So I'm really excited, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is the top that I got from the thrift store, and it's really fun. It's really cute. It's got little anchors on it and stars. It is very outdated though, so I wanted to add my own flair to it. The first thing I'm going to do to this top is cut out these shoulder pads because shoulder pads are never coming back in style. It already looks so much better without the shoulder pads. Now it's not as bulky. I got all of my materials at Joann, and the first thing I got was 3 yards of this stretchy sequin. And then I got 2 yards of red satin fabric. And then I got this fabric glue. Now I'm going to cut my shirt to about right here. Now I've got my fabric right sides together, and what you're going to do is you're going to sketch, or you can just go ahead and cut wherever you want it to be. So mine is just going to be to about the middle of it, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out. So right now it kind of looks like a pair of pants, but I want it to be more round on the end here. So what I'm going to do is just draw right here, and I'm just going to cut that off, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so your sailor collar should look very similar to this. Make sure you leave one part of it open so you can turn it inside out. So I'll go ahead and turn this inside out. So this is what it should look like turned inside out. And as far as that little piece at the end that we talked about, you're just going to tuck it inside, and then what I like to do is I just sew over it, or you can hand sew it together. So the next step in this tutorial is I'm going to add this sequin. So I think I'm just gonna make a square around here. So while we're waiting for the sailor collar to dry, we're gonna go ahead and go back to the shirt, and what I'm gonna do is cut the sides. So now it's totally separated, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure that there's no uneven raw edges. So I'm probably just going to take my rotary cutter and just even that out first. now you should have a triangle shape and it should look pretty even now. So for this top, I'm gonna do ribbon ties on each side of the top. So I'm just gonna cut the pieces from the red material that I have left. So I'll probably just make it a couple inches wide, but you can make it however wide you want. I'm gonna make a total of 4 pieces and they're 5 inches wide. So what I'm gonna do is put one on each side of the shirt and then it's just gonna tie together. But first what you need to do is turn both of these right sides together and just sew them all up. Okay, so now that you have your strips all sewn together, you're gonna turn them inside out. Alright, so now on the end of your fabric strip, there's gonna be a raw edge. So you're just gonna turn the fabric on the inside and you'll just pin it together and sew it. So the next step is to add the ties on the shirt. So what I've done is I've just pinned it on the back and you'll just do that on all 4 sides of the shirt. Okay, so the last and final step to this shirt is to add the sequins on the end of it. That is the last thing I'm going to do to this top and then I will be finished.